Riri tigarite thiku igira arutwo aria mari kirathi gia gatatu makorwo magithurimwo ugira makoretwo makiamukira rungu rwa mutaratara mweru wa mathomo. Mehariria ni mathiete na mbere kunyita thinga mathukuru-ini matiganite ma muthingi guku bururi-ini. Akiaria hindi ya guthurima mehariria ma thukuru-ini wa Joy Town gicigo-ini gia Thika, Minister wa mathomo Professor George Magoha augite guthurimo guku tikigeranio ndi ni imwe ya njira ya kuona urarutwo makoretwo makiamukira mathomo rungu rwa mutaratara uyu mweru.
It is normal and it will continue until the term ends, where the teacher is confident that she has done well in this particular aspect. She will forward the results to us, and the results are for nothing really.
No ndurio kuretwo yuyite ciande wege maratathi maria magakorwo magitumika uthurimi-ini uyu Minister Magoha augite arimwo magakorwo makiandika bodi-ini ciuria iria arutwo magakorwo magithurimwo nacio.
That this is expensive, how are we going to download? Again, having gone there, I've seen children, they have downloaded. But as a teacher, what they were reading, I think some of you saw it. Some of you see it? It can be written in the blackboard. So you don't need to go and photocopy many copies. You can take one and come and write it in the blackboard so that you assess the children. And it's not a question of Monday to Friday. It's going to continue until the term ends.
Na kuri arutwo aria mari mawathe Magoha augite thirikari na mubango wa kwandika arimu makiria kumatangikira nigo gutigirira ni manyita mathomo na njira igwete.
That one I want to give you my word that we shall act. We shall act very quickly because it is the right thing to do. Do you understand? Because these children are, in my view, more important for our society than the normal ones. They are gifted in different ways. And they spend a little more. Like she has said, they require more staff. We are going to look at it very quickly, and you can be sure if they require extra staff, we shall make sure that those staff are here.
Kameme TV, Jitagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.